I'm watching the hurricane. Alright, so we finally got us a drone for the channel. I'm hoping to get some pretty killer shots with this thing. I ended up going with the DJI Spark. I know that I've talked a little bit about it on the channel. I just felt that this was the best fit for me because it's a portable, small, compact, pretty durable. Plus, not to mention, it's pretty economical for what it is. And I know a lot of people complain about the 4K and the filming features. However, for what I do, it's going to be perfect. Heck, it's probably going to have better footage than my cameras that I use on the bike anyway. So I ended up going with this one because I can throw it in my backpack whether I'm riding the three-wheelers or the motorcycles. And I can pretty much put it up wherever I want to. I just got the basic Spark kit, the one, not the Fly More package or anything like that. So if you guys are familiar with that, you know that it's just basic Spark with a few little things. So I know there's a million unboxing videos out there, so I'm not really going to try to make this no professional deal. I just thought it would be nice to document it for my personal channel so you guys can kind of go along with me on the full journey. So I don't know if you can see it up there at the top, but I got it in lava red. And yeah, so let's get this thing going. Alright, so we got it open here. I'm going to break the seal. Never been open. Alright. Just pop that out. Alright, so it looks like there's two packages. First one, probably just the chargers. Yeah. Wall adapter. Quick start user guides here. Cord. Alright, then it comes in this nice, it's actually like a hard foam case to protect it. This should just kind of open here. Alright, there it is. So as you can see, it's the red, and I believe it comes with a couple extra propellers there. Little pockets probably for if you want to put the chargers in there. So let's go ahead and pop it out of there. A little heavier than I was expecting. There it is. It's got the little wrap on the sensor as well as the battery pack and the camera lens. The gimbal, yeah, seems to be pretty nice. Yeah, looks like it'll be a nice little drone to use. So I'm probably going to throw this unboxing in with some of the footage of testing it out. So I guess we'll go ahead and jump to that.
Later that same evening.